Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1972 MGB Roadster. It's finished in its original color of Limeflower with a black interior with beige leather seats fitted. It's a 4-speed car. It's fitted with these aftermarket rose style alloys, fog lamps, stone guards, and a chrome luggage rack. It's got a black soft top in cloth, really nice cloth soft top, and it also has the original factory top boot and tonneau cover that it was delivered with from new. So it's a really well taken care of car. We just purchased it from a gentleman, I believe in Missouri, and he was in the British Car Club there, so he lavished a lot of time and effort doing a nice little restoration on this car. I believe the mileage is around 74,500 miles. I believe that's original to the car, and super good mechanically. This car is, I just took it for a drive, and it's a ton of fun. Just makes all the right noises, and you know, it's a super fun MGB to push really hard around the streets, and really nicely sorted out. So cosmetically, really good little car. It was painted at one point, I think during his ownership, in this original Limeflower color. It's got these MGB racing decals. This car's got a really cool little competition flavor to it. Paint's really good. I did notice a couple little, there's like a little bubble there, and if you go really low down on the car, there's a little bit of bubbling resurfacing, which I don't know what was going on, but you know, maybe just some older body repairs. You can see here it does have a little bit of bubbling and some knickknacks coming out, but the finish on the car is really attractive. Let's look at this side down low, so you can see here there's maybe just a couple little small bubbles. There is a gentle dent kind of in this area. It's real gentle. You can't even see it in this light, but when the sun hits it, there's a very slight push in that area, but you know, from 5 feet you can't even tell. It's a really forgiving color, but yeah, real attractive bodywork and paint. Chrome's great. It's got these new alloy wheels and tires fitted. So door handles are nice, bumpers are really nice, lenses are sharp and clean, luggage rack's great condition. So upholstery wise, it's got the same story here, just kind of excellent overall condition. These door panels look new to me. He's got a new carpet kit fitted. See in here, he's got floor mats fitted. Arm bars are beautiful. Dash has a dash cap fitted, which is the cure for a cracked dash on these cars. You just don't want to get into taking a dashboard out. So it's got this aftermarket dash top pad glued down, so it looks really correct. Great little wooden alloy steering wheel. That's really fun driving this car with that little wheel. You can really make some quick turns on it, and it doesn't get in the way of your knees or legs. Seats are really lovely. These are trimmed in leather. And I think he opted to go for beige because he just didn't want the heat of black seats jumping in there on a hot day. So this, I think, was a really good call to go with these beige leather seats. Super comfortable. What I like about MGBs on this year is you've got these fully reclinable back seats with headrests. So this is a very comfortable MGB to drive. It's got nice seat belts anchored in it, so it's real safe. Sun visors fitted. Windshield is tinted, and it's a brand new windshield, so that's a nice addition. But yeah, if you look at the still photos, the soft top on this car is beautiful. It's stowed here right now with the top boot fitted, but it has a beautiful, really great condition cloth soft top, which is a really big upgrade for an MGB. The underside of this car is very, very solid. Floors look great. Under sealed properly and all protected really well. So I love the look of the front of this car. It's got stone guards fitted on the headlights, and then it has these Lucas original fog lamps, which is really attractive. I'll show you the engine compartment real quick. It is painted the original color, and I believe it's all original paint. So this engine bay to me just looks like a great original engine compartment. Never been painted. I think the previous owner had painted the heater and detailed like air cleaner components. All new brakes look like they've been fitted. Under the car is impressive. Everything's been rebushed properly. The rear suspension received a new set of springs with telescopic shock conversion kit. The front suspension's all rebushed in Teflon, so that's never going to wear out. So the car has a pretty good, you know, pretty precise, stiff suspension setup, which is a ton of fun. You know, I was pushing it really hard around the streets there. The only thing I could feel was maybe the tires were swaying a little bit because they're just normal radial tires. But this is a really great car to drive aggressively. You know, really good exhaust note. The exhaust system looks great on the car, and tons of fun. You know, we get a lot of clients that say, you know, if I fly down from San Francisco and jump in this car in Southern California, can I make it home? This is probably one of those cars. This is really well maintained and taken care of, and lots of fresh bits on it from Moss Motors. You can tell it was being regularly exercised in the British Car Club back there, and enjoyed. So these club members, they really like their cars dialed in, because it's so embarrassing for them if they're out on a club meet and the car breaks down. So these guys really help each other out and get the cars well sorted, and this is one of those cars. It's really, really well sorted out, absolutely on the button, ready to go. And it's presented in this original Limeflower, which is kind of a beigey green yellow. It grows on you quickly. We've had this car in the shop here just for a week, and really has grown on all of us, this color. It's kind of a unique color, but you know, just a really cool 70s period color, especially with these with the black and beige accents on the interior, and the rose style alloys, and the black body you know, striping there with the MGB logo. That's really cool. So, but yeah, if you're in the market for a turnkey, ready to go MGB Roadster that has this mild competition look to it, this is just right on the money here. It's a really good one. And there you have it, 1972 MGB Roadster, Limeflower with black trim, beige leather seats, black cloth soft top boot and tonneau, rose style alloys, luggage rack, and it's ready to go. And it's for sale right now on our website at www.kurttannermotorcars.com.